Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I've got a new thing to fix on the van. Yet another thing. It's been raining quite a bit recently, so I've noticed some leaks coming through the windscreen. The seal was replaced maybe about 2 years ago after someone crashed into me and caused a bit of damage around that area, so I don't think it's been fitted properly. So there's a few little gaps that have appeared as time's gone on. So what I've done is found a product on Amazon. This clear silicone sealant, a bit like the stuff you get in bathrooms, but it's not acidic, so it's not going to burn your paint away or anything like that. So I'm just going to go and check the seal around the windscreen, find areas of leaks, seal them up with this, and see how we go. A couple of other bits that you might need before starting this, because you want to make sure you've got a clean surface. Get something like, I don't know, clean surface wipes any grease away, or something like surgical spirit, rubbing alcohol, something that's not going to damage your paint, but take any grease away so the sealant sticks to the surface that you're putting on. Also, you might want to mask off the area that you're looking to cover on the paint, so you don't get too much on the paint. So something like this is just the tape that you use when you're painting around the edges in the house. It's low tax, it's not going to rip the paint off the vehicle when you put it on there. But hopefully you'll just get nice straight lines that you wouldn't notice unless you're looking really close at it. There are a few indicators of a leaky windscreen. For me, it was condensation on the inside around the bottom of the windscreen. This break in the seal at the top has allowed water to flow in and around the inside of the seal and come out of the bottom. So next thing to do is clean it off with alcohol or wipes and then thoroughly dry it off before you apply the sealant. As you can see, I've used that masking tape on the paintwork there just to make sure that I don't spread the sealant too far onto the paintwork and cause any damage. And then apply the sealant around the edge of the windscreen seal. Okay, so there's one thing that I forgot to add in my video there when I was applying the sealant, and that was just how to finish that off. All you do is you run your finger along that sealant, make sure it gets into all those gaps and forms a nice sort of neat edge. Then take away the tape before it dries. If you leave it dry, you'll start pulling chunks off because it'll be attached to the tape as you pull it away. To take that off before it dries, so within the first 15 minutes, that's when it will become touch dry, and after that you're good to go. As I say, 15 minutes to dry to touch dry. It's about 24 hours to dry fully. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found that useful, hit like and subscribe, and join us on the social media, or come and join us on the forum on our website. Thanks a lot.